I hate you.
Gasp.
What do you want?
You to die. Big switch.
Why do you hate me?
As you are bragging about your coolness.
Well, haha, you can't kill me. Because I am invincible.
Surely you are not.
Why is that? ...
Because this is...
Oh my god. I was such Die!
Annette, how did I survive that? Where did you come from?
It does not matter. OS users are careful with you.
Nobody loves me.